Hi, I'm Jill Ferris, the creator and host of Cooking for Bachelors TV. Today we're going to make a cream cheese dip that's nice to serve with celery. Okay, what we're going to start with our dip today is cream cheese with some Greek yogurt. And you're going to need the yogurt because cream cheese has a very hard consistency, even though I used a whipped cream cheese. So we've mixed this up in our blender already. Now we're going to take what I've pre-roasted, some garlic and scallions. And what I do is I put it in a little foil and olive oil and put it in the toaster oven. And this gives you a nice roasted, softer flavor to the garlic so that it's not so spicy when you're eating it. So we're just going to cut that up and we're going to add it to our dip. And it's really nice because you have that smoky flavor from roasting it. Whoops, that's not too hard, right? All right, now we're going to put it in. That looks really, really nice. This is going to really add some delicious flavor. Okay, now we're going to add some rosemary, which is the star of our show. And I usually use fresh herbs whenever I'm cooking, but in this case I'm going to use the dry herbs, and I'm going to crinkle it because fresh rosemary, even cut up into little pieces, can be a little bit tough to chew and swallow. So as you see, I'm mushing it in my hand to try to get it into smaller pieces as I'm adding it to the cheese. All right, so it's like maybe about a tablespoon, half a tablespoon, whatever you like to add. We're going to add some freshly ground pepper that I ground this morning and some sea salt. Actually, this is Himalayan salt. So I guess it's mountain salt, nice pink Himalayan salt. And we already chopped up some celery, so might as well, if we're using it with celery, we're going to add the celery. It's going to have a nice little crunch and some freshness to it to balance our other flavors. And then you can blend it in the blender or with a fork or with a whisk. This is just, it's not going to take too long, as you can see. Blend it all together until you see it's evenly, that all the ingredients are evenly blended. Isn't that simple? So you can see there's many ways that you can entertain your friends, make hors d'oeuvres for dinner, have people over for the football game. Okay. Now, it's always nice to garnish your plate. So what I think we're going to do is we're going to use some chives. Make it nice, little green, and we'll add that freshness, the fresh flavor to it. And then we're going to take our plate, and we've already cut up the celery, and I have it sitting in some water, which is a really good idea because it keeps it moist, it won't dry out, and it's nice and crisp to eat. And then you just, simple as this, just line your plate with the celery. And here we have our cream cheese dip that complements celery.